And what is up, everybody? This is Zoran from Lionshare Trading. In this video, I'm going to talk about my trading strategy that I use day-to-day basis. To get started, I need to tell you this is on demand. We're in 14 minutes since the market opened, and this is 180 days, 4 hours charts. And here we can see that this trend line got broken. So I'm interested in this stock on a big time frame. So if we go to the 15-minute candle, which is the only one that I'll look for the intraday trading. So here I can see that this is really strong momentum, like a full green candle, trend line broken, huge volume, and it tells me that this is real bullish momentum. So for me, that means I'm gonna hop on in a call option if this one closes really strong and the next one makes another high. So that's when I decide that I go here to choose options. Um, this is the one I would choose in this situation because of the big volume and it's out of the money. Then I go here and I can copy it, and this is what it looks like right in that moment. So actually the ideal thing is if you had multiple monitors, the so that you can watch actually the underlying asset and the option at the same time. So here you should be able to calculate by yourself how many options do you want to buy. So let's say for this example that we want to buy uh, $300 or $400 um, of options right here. So in that case, it would be 10 quantity because it's also multiplied by 100, which results in 300 if the price is 0.3. So what I wait for to happen is I want this candle to be closed, and we have 10 seconds left until it happens. So when it happens, I want another candle to break a new high, and that's where I get in. Here it is, it just happened. So I would right now be buying 10 shares of this at 0.35, which means I'm in with $350. The next thing you want to do when entering the position, you want to secure your capital. So if I entered here, I want to calculate what would be my stop loss. And it's usually between 25-30%. And it's really important to have bear stop loss because returns are supposed to be huge. So if you cannot afford to lose 25% of your capital on a trade, you should just reduce your trading size. If that has to be $100 per trade, it is okay. It is just important that you're available to lose that much money. All right. So let's say I would put it here at 0.26. Then I again copy it one more time. I go to trade and I prepare the sell order. I actually send it. So I choose a stop 0 0.24 it was, if I'm not wrong. 0.24 was 10. So QQQ calls stop, confirm and send, and there it goes. Now I have a stop order, as you can see. So what is a stop market order? Is actually if the price crosses this right here, that moment it becomes market sell order. So that's the way I'm not gonna lose more than 25% of a trade, all right? Which is in this case about $70 for me. And when I'm looking to profits, that's I'm gonna show you that in the next moment. So the thing which taking profits is you don't want to get out uh, with all of your positions at the same time. You want to scale out. So if we speed it up a little bit, let's move 10 more minutes. We see that nothing actually. If this is right here, let me reload the charts. Okay, so it went up a little bit, but nothing special. So patience gotta be the key. If you said at the beginning that you're gonna get out only if it crosses this right here, and then you just gotta wait for it. Even if it takes time, you need to be patient about it, and you need to respect your plan. So I'm sorry for a delay. This on demand is always glitchy. I'm just gonna play the charts and see what happened next with the options. So right now, as you can see, I would be up about 17% right now. So if I risk 25%, what do you think would be good risk reward ratio for me? Well, if you ask me, that would be it has to be at least 3 times bigger than your stop loss, which would be here in this case 45%. So that is like the first place that you can get out at. All right. So, but I don't know, I don't get out with all of my position at the same time. So you just need to wait and get out with partials. All right. So let's say I usually get out in 2 or 3 times. So let's say in this time we're gonna get out 3 times. So you just put out part of your positions on way up. That's how it is done. Let's speed this up a little bit. I just speed it up like 30 minutes. It is going to take some time. I'm going to pause the video until it happens. Okay, you can see here that we're in a really strong momentum. I speed it up probably too much. So if I go back 10 more minutes, you cannot speed up trading in real time. So let's wait a couple more seconds. All right, so right now you can see that we're up. If we got in at 0.35, we're up here at plus 90%. So I would definitely be out with probably 4 shares here. So let's do sell market, and I got out with 4 shares. And then you wait a little bit more. You want to see if this is going to be really the momentum. Is it the end of the momentum or not? So we're just going to we'll skip a couple more. Let's see what happened in a couple of hours. All right, just to show you the process. All right, it is loading, and here we go. This is what happened by the end of the day. So as you can see, we had plenty of opportunities to get out at a huge percentage. So from 0.35, from here we're again at 100. We're not right now at 150% profit, and the max of our day was 210% profit for the day. But even if we get out right now, that would be like a huge return for us. All right, so we're completely out of the position, and I repeat, this is just for this is simply for me to show you the examples of trading. You can see right now PL of the day is 464%, which is pretty awesome return for $300 trade. So it means if you traded with $100, you would be about $120 in profit. So there's also a lot more to this. This is just the example of how it should be traded at Friday, but there's a lot more to this. And if you're interested, if you're serious about learning trading options momentum, you can DM me on Instagram and ask me about it. I'm answering all your questions. Thank you for watching. Click like and subscribe. Thank you, and see you later.